Hi there guys, this is a random video with me, and it's all about, guess what, me. And I'm going to tell you about, guess what, me. Yeah, everything is about me. Beautiful and beautiful me. Alrighty then. Just walking down the street today, and then there was some jerks just say hi, and I went like, what? And then they hit me, and I was like, ow! What was that all about? Oh, but other than that, I had a lot of fun today. Hey, do you know what fun is? Let me spell it for you.
F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere and anytime at all.
So you know what fun is all about now? Good! And now I will tell you more about me! Yay! me. Oh, you know what? I was getting my head and then my brother took it and ran away, and I was like, no! Then I grabbed it and I was like, ha ha! And then I got my head and I was like, damn it, it was a good day today! Wow, I'm so hyper. This is a wonderful video, isn't it? Huh? Yes, it is a wonderful video. All about me. I love this video. It's so funny, because it's all about me. It's gotta be the end now. I can't have this video going on all night long, so I'll have to say good night. It's so sad. The video about me is going to end. I can't look at you right now. This is so sad. When I first saw the clock and I realized I had to turn off the camera, I was like, no! But now I'm like, so sad. Right, Carol? Isn't it sad? We can't have this video going on too long. No. Carol thinks it's sad too. Right, Carol? Yeah. Look, he's sad too. Oh well. Oh yes, Suminasai. People.